Hi guys, this is it. So, thank you Shopee. Salamat Shopee. Ito na nga, dumating na po yung order namin sa Shopee. It's a Canon G1010 printer. Kasama po siya nung Canon Pixma G series. So, bali, it's like mga more than 2 months na naming pinagplanuhan na bilhin to. And eto na nga, sobrang saya kasi nandito na nga sa harapan namin and ina-unboxing na ng mag-ama ko. Look at that face. Sobrang saya naman. So actually, our primary reason pa na bumili ng printer is for yung mga projects sa school and yung mga drawing ni Mariana na gusto niyang i-print for her arts and crafts daw. So, ito na nga po. Nabuksan na po namin yung brand new. Yay, ang saya naman. No? Printer for our family use. At soon, sana magamit na din for business. 'Di ba? Kailangan natin kumita. Now, ang printer po ay may kasama ng colored and black ink and the cords, the manual with the CD drive, as well as the cartridge. So yung cartridge po for the black and colored ink. So we're going to set this up, but hindi na namin i-show sa video kung yung paglagay namin ng ink at saka pag-connect namin sa power supply. Ito na nga, na-set up na po namin at nakapag-test print na po kami. So far, so good. Walang damage. Thank you talaga sa Shopee na shop na to. And as well, yung quality ng print talaga. Super 5-star talaga. So, yung mga nagpaplano na mabili ng printer for school or business use, yun nga, consider this G1010 Canon printer. It's only 5,500 in Shopee. And it's very, very good. Hindi niyo po to pagsisisihan. Thank you for watching!